Today, I'll be trying out liquid polymer to restore these headlights. Let's see how good it is. Just to show a close-up here, these headlights are in really bad shape. You can see the oxidation is pretty bad. They're actually cracked from the sun. You can't tell because the sun's not hitting it, but they're in really bad shape. We're gonna see how good we can bring these back to life. So let's start by sanding them and we'll go through the entire process. Let's go.
I found out every headlight's different and require a slight different approach, but for the ones that are really bad, I like to start off with 320 and work my way up to 2000.
Now that I've gone through all the necessary sandpaper grits, I'm gonna grab the polymer and start heating up the cup.
This is kind of what you want to see after going through all the grits. No previous coatings, no oxidation, no funny business. Now let's hit it with the polymer. And here's the before, and this is the after.
Woo-wee! This is looking really nice. It's looking really sexy. This stuff actually works. I don't want to say it's easy to do, but it's not so hard. Going through the sanding process takes a little bit of time. I went from 320 all the way up to 2000 grit, but the results speak for themselves. You get a brand new headlight. I'll leave a link down below to all the products that I used in this video. So go ahead and check it out. And this is Jared signing off. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.